I'm Teresa Vidal-Calleja. I'm Associate Professor at the Robotics Institute. My expertise is in robotics perception. My role at the center is co-lead of the Program 1, which is Biomimic Cobots. The Australian Cobotics Centre, funded by the ARC, was established to grow national capability on collaborative robotics. It's about enabling robots to mimic human skills such as manipulation, perception, awareness. We aim to tackle the fundamental challenges that the Australian manufacturing industry requires today to allow humans interacting with robots. We will work with a range of SMEs to enhance their manufacturing capabilities. One of the unique features of the center is the diversity of the research leaders that will contribute their extensive expertise. We have researchers from business, health, design, robotics, and advanced manufacturing contributing to the success of the center. UTS brings well-recognized expertise in robotics, sensing, advanced manufacturing, Industry 4.0, and design. To support our work, we offer specialized laboratories in mobile robotics, robotics manipulation, and Industry 4.0 test lab and advanced 3D printed facilities at UTS Tech Lab. We have successful partnerships with a range of Australian and international industry. We work with utilities, agriculture, transport, and defense industries. The center will help industry partners by upskilling jobs, creating safer workplaces, and give SMEs access to expert and world-class facilities. PhDs will have access to long-term industry placements that will allow them to tackle real-world problems. This will also be a pathway for their future careers.